Hi everyone, welcome to a little tutorial on how to change the Toyota Supra keyring light to LED from this green light. I apologize in advance for my voice. I'm a little bit sick, hopefully not from the coronavirus. So as you see, I have the interior kind of taken apart. You can't really see that well because there's not too much light in here. Let's see if I could turn them on. But basically what you have to do is got to take this off. So there's that little coin holder tray, you can kind of see here. Basically I pop that out and then you kind of just pull up from here and you're able to get this off. And then after that you kind of just have to take this piece out. So I was in the middle of installing this radio here, or the double din for Apple CarPlay, so kind of had that head start. But basically just go ahead and pop off the tabs here and work your way around. You'll actually have to unbolt these right here, which I don't have bolted in yet, so I'm just gonna pop it right off. And then you can take the speedometer little gauge cluster cover there off, and then you'll be able to take this piece off. Just be careful with the wiring that's attached to the HVAC unit and cigarette lighter so you don't tear that off. But let me get this off and then I'll be back. Okay, now when you take that panel off, you'll expose the ignition switch, and it's hard to see, but right here there's a little push-in plastic kind of like a screw looking thing. Take your little tool, pop that off, and then once you get this off, this thing will just come right off. So this is what I was talking about, that little plastic thing you have to remove. And then once you do, you'll just be able to take this and take it right off, and it exposes the little bulb which you can switch out to your LED one. And then that's it. Then you put it all back together and you're done. Okay, so here it is installed again, and it's easy as that. Now, a little thing that I ran into that I found to be helpful was when you get that little screw or the plastic thing off, this piece from the actual clear plastic separates. There's a little, as you can see, cap on it, and they separate. So when you take this off, you can remove this plastic piece, and the little light bulb that's in there, if you twist it 90 degrees, it'll slide out. And then if you can see, can't really see, but so I apologize about the quality of the video, but the basics are in here. You can go ahead and take that little light bulb and the wire, since it's so short up here, you could put it right down here and actually work on it and install the other bulb right down here. So makes it a little bit easier, just a tip and trick. So let me install the panels back and we'll see how it looks like when it's complete. Okay, so I just kind of pushed this little piece in because I still plan on doing some more LED conversion around the gauge. Hopefully Stu gets back to me so I can get this cluster redone with the TRD gauges and full LED. Hopefully that HVAC too. But that's what it looks like. Again, I got this one LED from LED Guys, and I'll put a little link in the description, but it was really simple to install. I had to crunch down the little plastic a little bit just to make it fit, but it was pretty much basically plug and play. Other than that, that's what it looks like now. I love it. It looks much better than that green. And yeah, that's it. It's not overly powered, not too bright. At least right now in the daylight. I don't know if I'll shut the door here. Yeah, it looks really nice, very simple. And that's it. That's it for this video. I'll come back and see when it's all completed and I have everything that I want on the car.